Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to turn a waste bottle into something like this. For this project you have to take a waste bottle and then cover it fully with thread. After that you have to color it with a white paint. Now make a paste using 1 part glue and 1 part water. Take your decoupage tissue and cut 1/4 of the tissue. A decoupage tissue has 3 layers and you have to remove the lower 2 layers. Now cover the remaining part with leftover scraps.
One eternity later.
Using this color palette, I painted the upper part of the bottle with this green shade. And covered the lower part with this decoupage varnish. Add some fake flowers and the bottle is ready. I also made these 2 bottles by covering them with colored wool and thread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go and subscribe to my channel and turn the black thumb blue. Meet you again with a new video. Bye bye.